Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to verify the integrity of an app iOS. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your general settings on your iPhone. Then you want to head to software update. Once you go to software update, make sure that you have the latest update. And if you have an update right now, simply click on update now. Then you'll have to click on date and time and make sure that you set them automatically. Then now go back again and go to VPN and device management and make sure that this one right here is not connected to any one. Now go back to general settings, then go to screen time. Then scroll down until you get here, change screen time passcode, turn it off. Then you'll have to enter the passcode. After entering it, you'll now have to go back. Go back to general settings, then go to content and privacy restrictions. Once you go to content and privacy restrictions, toggle this option on. Then now you can go back again and go to settings, general settings, then go to apps, then search for Safari and make some changes to this option right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.